So once again, good morning students. We'll continue with the chapter Expert Detectives. So we know that Nishad had gone with his mother to the clinic and he had seen Mr. Nath. And what does he say? Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt. Gaunt is old and sick. When a person looks old and sick, that is called gaunt appearance, and was sure he was starving. So why Nishad was upset? Because he feels that Mr. Nath is not having sufficient food. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, and what had Nishad done that evening? He had knocked on the door of Mr. Nath and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." Mr. Nath had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" I told you earlier, Nishad had gone to his room because their marble had gone into Mr. Nath's room. And that is why Mr. Nath asked him, "Again, you have lost another marble." He had obviously recognized my brother, and he recognized his brother because he had been to his room earlier also. "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. And what had Nishad done? He had taken the hand of Mr. Nath and put a bar of chocolate into it and given him a chocolate bar. Why? Because he thinks that Mr. Nath is very weak, very thin, very sick and starving. So now Maya is asking, did you get a chance to peek into the trunk? No, they are talking about the trunk, which Maya feels has got a lot of money, gold, silver in it. 7, I asked. Nishad looked disappointed. He said, "No, he didn't even ask me in. Mr. Nath did not even let me enter his room," he said. Then he smiled. "But I did find out something." He's telling Maya, "I did find something else about Mr. Nath. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works, and talked to him." Now he went to Ramesh because Ramesh is the person who brings meals to his room, to Mr. Nath's room. "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. "I hope you questioned him properly." So now Nishad is telling that I talked to Mr. Ramesh. And what did Ramesh tell him? Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening. So Ramesh is telling that I take 2 meals for Mr. Nath, one in the morning and one in the evening. And 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So this is what he gets to know from Ramesh. Ramesh is the person who is working in the restaurant. It is pronounced as restaurant, not restaurant. It's a French word. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It's always the same food. So he carries 2 meals, and what does those meals contain? 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. This is what he eats every day. Mr. Nath pays cash. He pays money to Ramesh for the meals and tips well. Tips is the money given when you are happy with the service of a restaurant. So you give the tip to the waiter and the bearer. That is called tip. Ramesh told me something very strange. Strange is unusual. Now he is continuing with his story. He is telling Maya, there's something more which Ramesh told me. Maya, 7 added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room. See, normally Ramesh carries only 1 lunch. But on Sunday he carries 2 lunches to his room. Why? And the same man with him each time. He's tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. Because on Sunday he's got a visitor. And who is this visitor? He's a tall, fair, stout. Stout means strong, and wears spectacles. Because every Sunday this gentleman comes to visit him. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. So now Nishad has got some information about Mr. Nath. That he eats 2 meals, 2 cups of tea, and every Sunday a visitor comes to him who is very talkative, Well done, Nishad, I told him. I is again, I'm telling you, Maya. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we'll have to sort out. Sort out means to arrange systematically all the facts like expert detectives. So that is why the name of the chapter is expert detectives. They think they can find a lot about Mr. Nath and find who is he, why is he here, why does he look so thin, why he does not work anywhere, so that we can trap the crook. Trap is catch the crook. Crook is a criminal. So Maya feels he's a criminal, and that is why he's got marks on his face. How you do go on, Maya? 7 sides. Sigh is when you take a deep breath. How can you possibly imagine he's a crook? He looks so ordinary. But Nishad feels that he is not a crook. He says he looks so ordinary. Criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty. And now Maya is replying. Criminals can look very ordinary, common, smart. I retorted. Retorted is replied. So Maya says criminals can look very common, very ordinary. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the paper yesterday? So now she is giving an example of the news in the newspaper. Papers here means newspaper. Wherein in Hyderabad there was a theft. Theft is burglary. Burglary is robbery. Housebreaking means when a person robs a house. That is called housebreak. He looked like any man in the street. So she is giving an example that this person who robbed a house in Hyderabad also looked very ordinary. So Nishad looked doubtful. The monsoons broke the next day. So next day the monsoon started. That is a winter. It's a rainy season. Is called monsoon season. And what happens there? Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning. You have dark clouds. There's a lot of lightning. There's a lot of thunder, and there's a lot of rain when monsoon starts. And what happened is it flooded the streets with a heavy downpour. Downpour is heavy rain is called downpour, and there was heavy rain. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. So what happens is next day the school was about to open, but it was declared a holiday because there was a lot of rain. Like sometimes in theory also we declare holidays when there is a lot of rain. I thought I had spent the time usefully. This is Maya saying. And what does she do? I sat at my desk. Desk is table in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. And now she starts to write everything about Mr. Nath. So that is the first part of the story. We'll continue with it in the second video. Thank you all of you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.